how we dance.
All right, Christopher. Top of the gloomy day to you, my friend. But it's never really gloomy when you get to work on these old amps, huh? So you wanted something refreshing, something smooth, something sassy with your reverb and your vibrato and this old bird, and that's what you're going to get. So we have a lot more available reverb drive thanks to a couple circuit tweaks. And I've scooped out some of the mid-range in the actual reverb signal itself, just doing some light filtering. What else can I tell you? Oh yeah, remember that vibrato that didn't have enough drive? It was a little too jagged, not smooth enough. You wanted something that kind of mimicked the old bias vary tremolos and some of the blonde stuff. So let's see what we can do for you here. Take a peek. Whoa! What's going on here? I like it, buddy. Check that out, huh? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's this? There's no more ticking and thumping. No more extraneous noise. Only smooth. Tremolo was able to do the old trick to give you a slower minimum speed without influencing the top end. Check that out. Love it. All right. Let's try to speed this sucker up a little bit. And there's going to be a little noise here because she's open frame. We don't have the old Faraday effect. What else don't we have? Oh yeah, we have a single cold guitar here right next to these giant transformers. I really like this. Love it. Love it, man. Very ambient now. Super cool. So let's get the vibe off. And a neat trick you can do with that is you can actually run it up to the front panel. Not on an amp like this, mind you, lest you be chased with pitchfork and torch. But this can be used as an indicator for the speed that you're set at. Which is super cool. I'm going to go ahead and heat shrink that so you're not getting a Pink Floyd concert coming out of your speaker jacks or your input jacks here. But I really think it's very nice sounding now. Get some different pickup sounds. Lovely sound. So yeah, outside of the maintenance, outside of all the other stuff you do, you know, bring her up to spec, up to date with respect to the caps. Everything's in tolerance. I think these mods are subtle but useful, and I think it makes it more fun to play, since that's what you were looking for. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you're having a good one. Actually, before I leave, if that's not a slow enough minimum speed for you, I can actually take it down a bit, which is something you typically can't do because there won't be enough drive to kickstart the oscillator. But we have so much available drive now that I could practically, this thing would be ridiculous. But anyway, think on it, drink on it, take a listen, take a peek. Let me know what you think, and we'll take it from there. Bye-bye. You guys can turn it off now. I'm just going to keep on noodling.